Meghalaya'S Minister of Public Health Engineering, Marcuise N. Marak, addressed the media to provide an update on the state's ongoing sanitation drive under the Hamara Swachalay, Hamara Samman campaign, which was launched on the 19th of November 2024. The campaign aims to strengthen sanitation infrastructure across all districts with a special focus on upholding the dignity and well-being of women, girls and vulnerable communities. Emphasizing the vital role of proper sanitation in promoting health and human dignity, the initiative seeks to ensure access to hygienic toilet facilities for all sections of society.
On this day, on the closing day of Hamara Swachalay, Hamara Samman, which was launched in the 19th of November 2024, especially to call attention to the need for functionality of toilets, both individual toilets and household toilets, and also community toilets in particular. Because all human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. That's the basic thing. On this, actually, our target is that the sustainable development goals is achieving access to adequate and equitable sanitation, hygiene for all, ending open defecation while paying special attention to the needs of women and girls and those in vulnerable situations worldwide. And this campaign emphasizes the significance of sanitation as a cornerstone of dignity, health and well-being for every individual. It aligns with our collective vision of ensuring access to safe and hygienic sanitation facilities for all. Till that, the state has the coverage of 53,627 individual household latrines and 1,108 community sanitary complexes units across the state. So far, we have received from the people for individual household latrine, for construction of individual household latrines, around 148,102 applications, out of which we have sanctioned 87,184 individuals for construction of the individual toilets in the villages. And in terms of percentage, we have achieved 78.5% in constructing the individual toilets. And I have made it very particular that all these toilets should be functional. And during this campaign, I had a review meeting with the department to make sure that all the toilets which have already been constructed in the rural areas, both individual and also the community toilets, should be a functional one. And I have already directed the officials on the district level that make sure that they also get the water and functional in all terms.